How to post a video on Instagram and not a reel. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. When prompted, choose the post option and not the reel or the story option. This ensures your video appears in a regular feed and on your own profile grid. Now, tap on the multiple icon you see there and then pick the video from your camera roll, or you can also record directly through the app. And now the trend here is you have to add a picture as well in order to post the video as the video and not a reel. So go ahead and select the video that you want to post and also add in a picture. Now tap on the next option and then tap on next again. And finally tap on the share button after you are done editing the screen, trimming your video, applying filters or overlays, and choosing a cover for your image. Once the video is shared, as you can see here, your video has been posted as a post and not as the reel. So, this is how you can post video on Instagram and not reel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.